Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to make some really amazing chocolate fudge brownies. So let's go through the ingredients. A 1/4 cup or 38 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 cup or 140 grams of walnuts, 130 grams or 1 cup of cocoa powder, and I am using Dutch processed cocoa powder in my recipe today. 200 grams or 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 5 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 grams or half a teaspoon of baking powder, 130 grams or half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract, and our last ingredient, 6 tablespoons or 90 grams of room temperature water. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. Into my stand mixer bowl, I'm going to get in my sugar, and then my 2 eggs, and my vegetable oil. Get all of that in. This is a super easy recipe. I'm going to get my vanilla in as well, and my salt. Now I want to cream this up. So I'm going to use the beater attachment for today. Get my mixer on, get it down into place, and get this going. So before we add anything else, I just want to really cream this up nicely. So that was about a minute of mixing on high. I'm going to add in my water at this point, and then we're going to get in all of our cocoa powder. And when you start mixing this, go very slowly. Close this down and just speed number 1. If you go any faster than 1 or 2, you're going to have a little bit of a dust cloud. So just go really easy with the cocoa powder. We just want to get that well incorporated. This smells amazing already. So you can see that's coming together. Another maybe 30 seconds of mixing and that'll be great. Okay, that looks good. We have our little bit of all-purpose flour and our baking powder. I'm going to get that in. I want to mix those together. And that's good. And then just get that in. Perfect. Always look around, make sure that you have not forgotten any of your ingredients. Close this down, and now because we have that flour in there, we really only want to mix this speed number 1. A very slow mix. So as soon as you see it come together, stop your machine. And you can also do this recipe super easily with a hand mixer and a bowl. I've done that in another video. So that's good. And then the last thing we have is our walnuts. Get all of those in. And just a slow mix. Just want to get those all covered. And this smells so amazing. And that looks good. Just like that. And now we're ready to get this into our pan. I've got a brand new pan here from LloydPans, and I'll put the dimensions on screen. So let's get this in here. Oh, this smells amazing. So I've got 2 of these pans from LloydPans, and I figured I'd split the batter up between them. And I think that looks pretty good. Yep, that looks nice. So I'm just going to get these onto a tray. Just like that. I'm going to go bake these, and then I'll come back and give you all the details. And this smells amazing. Hey everybody, I'm back and I am excited about my brownies. They look amazing. Total bake time was 25 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 177 degrees Celsius. So these are extremely hot right now. I just brought them out about not even 5 minutes ago, so they have to cool down. I'll remove them from the pans and then we'll cut into it and check out one of them. This is going to be so good. It smells so amazing in here. So let's remove these. Oh, look at that. Super easy to take out. Oh, very nice. I am impressed. Let's try this one. Look at that. Oh, so nice. That is really good. Look at that. They look amazing. Let's just flip that over. They're still warm. Look at that. Oh, those are nice. So my chocolate fudge brownies have cooled down quite a bit, so I'm going to bring one over. Look at this. Oh, they smell amazing. Can I get a knife? Well, let's just cut into this. Oh, yeah. Let's check it out. Look at this. Look at how nice those are. You can see how fudgy they are. Look, as I'm pressing in. A lot of moisture still. Fully baked. Got those nice walnuts. Really nice. Zooming in helps a little bit. You can see these a lot better. Anyway, check this out. So let's just break one apart. Look at that. Oh, I've got to go in for a bite. That is really, really good. So that's it. We've come to the end of another video. A super delicious fudge brownie. Super easy recipe, as you saw me do today. I hope you try it out. If you do, please leave me a comment because I do read all comments. I appreciate not everybody has those little fancy pans, but you can do this in a 8x8 square or a 9-inch round. Either one of those work perfectly well also. So that's it for today's really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm also there at BakeLikeAPro. If you're interested in these little pans by LloydPans, I'll put a link to them underneath the video in the description box. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I am going in for another bite. That is so good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.